Hello everyone, if your Hytale launcher is closing or crashing without any error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Hytale launcher closing or crashing without any errors easily. So first off, you're going to go to your Hytale's install location. So open up your start menu, right here run, right tab data, go into roaming, and here you'll have Hytale. So this is the default location for the Hytale game, Hytale, and then open install, go into release, package, launcher, and you'll have the version here. So just open it. Now you'll have Hytale launcher here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to delete the Hytale launcher from here. And then if you have a shortcut of Hytale launcher on your desktop or on your taskbar, just move that shortcut into here and then just run the game from here, from that launcher. So what that will do is that will skip all of the verification checks that the Hytale launcher normally does, and it will just launch your game from the start. And now you'll be able to play Hytale. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.